Did you know there are plants that can literally shift the energy in your home? Not just improve your air quality or add to your decor, but plants that ancient cultures believed could attract peace, prosperity, and even protection. Imagine walking into your living room and feeling an instant sense of calm, as if the very air around you has been charged with positivity. It sounds a bit mystical, right? But here's the real kicker. What if the plants sitting on your windowsill right now could be doing the exact opposite, draining your energy without you even realizing it? What if the key to transforming your home into a sanctuary of good vibes is simply swapping out a few ordinary houseplants for ones with deep spiritual significance and proven scientific benefits? Now here's the big question. Which plants have this kind of power, and how do they actually work? Today, we aren't just gardening, we are curating the energy of our sanctuary. I'm going to share 7 indoor plants that cleanse negative energy instantly, and we're going to look at this from 2 angles. First, the spiritual side, why traditions like Feng Shui and Vastu Shastra have revered these botanicals for centuries. And second, the scientific side, because, let's be honest, we want plants that actually work. We're talking about the specific toxins they remove from the air, creating a cleaner, lighter physical environment that supports a lighter spiritual state. Whether you're dealing with stress, stagnant vibes, or just want to refresh your space, these green allies are ready to help. So, let's dive into the list. First, we have the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, or mother-in-law's tongue. Now, this plant is often called the ultimate protector. In spiritual circles, its upright sword-like leaves are believed to cut through negative energy and shield the home from bad vibes coming from the outside. It's like standing guard at your entryway. But its benefits don't stop there. Scientifically, this is a powerhouse. According to the famous NASA Clean Air study, the snake plant is one of the few plants that releases oxygen at night while taking in carbon dioxide. It also filters out nasty toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Think about it energetically. If the air is heavy with toxins, your body is working overtime just to breathe. By clearing that physical smog, the snake plant creates a pristine space where your energy can actually rest. Place it in areas where you want to enhance energy flow or protection, such as the bedroom for better sleep, or right by the front door. And the best part? Caring for the snake plant is as easy as it gets. It thrives on neglect, making it the perfect low-maintenance guardian. Next, we have the peace lily. As the name suggests, this is the go-to plant for restoring harmony. It's more than just a plant, it's a symbol of peace, purity, and healing. In many traditions, the peace lily is used to help people move through grief or emotional turmoil. It's believed to transmute heavy, stressful energy into something lighter and more manageable. On a scientific level, the peace lily is incredible at breaking down neutralizing harmful gases like carbon monoxide and even mold spores in the air. It literally cleanses the atmosphere of irritants that can make you feel groggy or on edge. Now, you might be wondering, is it hard to keep alive? Not really, but it is communicative. It will droop dramatically when it's thirsty, almost like it's waving at you. Give it a drink, and it perks right back up. Because it loves humidity and filters mold, it's actually perfect for a bathroom, turning a utility space into a mini spa sanctuary. Now, let's talk about aloe vera. You probably know it for soothing sunburns, but in the spiritual world, this is the plant of immortality. In many cultures, from the Caribbean to the Middle East, aloe vera is hung over doorways to ward off jealousy and the evil eye. It is considered a strong barrier against bad luck. But here's the real kicker regarding its biology. Aloe vera acts like a biological alarm system. It's known to develop brown spots on its leaves when the level of harmful chemicals in your home becomes too high. It's literally telling you, hey, the energy and air quality in here need attention. It releases oxygen at night, much like the snake plant, and helps clear benzene, which can be found in paints and chemical cleaners. Place this spiritual powerhouse on a sunny kitchen windowsill. It loves the light, and since the kitchen is often the heart of the home, it keeps the energy there clean and vibrant. Our next pick is the spider plant. If you feel like your life is a bit chaotic or tangled, this might be the one for you. Its long, arching leaves are said to act like a web, catching negative vibes and filtering them out of your space. It represents fertility and abundance because of how easily it propagates, sending out those little spiderettes. Scientifically, it is a champion at removing formaldehyde and xylene, chemicals often found in furniture and leather goods. By scrubbing these from the air, it reduces physical stress on your body, which allows your spiritual energy to lift. Don't stress about care. There's no such thing as a wrong plant for a beginner, but the spider plant is particularly forgiving. I love hanging these in a home office or living area, somewhere active. It keeps the energy moving and prevents stagnation. Now we have the rubber plant. If you're looking to ground your energy and perhaps attract a little prosperity, pay attention to this one. In Feng Shui, the rubber plant's round, thick leaves are associated with wealth and abundance. They symbolize coins and financial growth. Because the leaves are so dark and robust, they also offer a strong grounding energy, perfect if you've been feeling flighty or anxious. But its benefits don't stop there. Those large leaves have a massive surface area, making them incredibly efficient at absorbing airborne toxins and eating up bacteria and mold spores. It's a heavy-duty air purifier. To maximize its potential, place it in the wealth corner of your home, which is usually the southeast corner, or in a hallway to slow down rushing energy. Just remember to wipe the leaves down occasionally. A dusty plant can't breathe, and it certainly can't filter energy efficiently. Next, we have the Areca palm. This plant is pure, flowing elegance. Unlike the sharp, protective energy of the snake plant, the Areca palm offers a soft, flowing vibration. It is fantastic for softening the energy in a room and breaking up stagnant chi or life force. In Vastu Shastra, it is often recommended to bring health and prosperity. Scientifically, this plant is a transpiration machine. It releases a huge amount of moisture into the air, acting as a natural humidifier. This makes the air feel lighter and easier to breathe, which immediately lowers your physiological stress levels. It's often called the living room plant for a reason. It commands space. Place it in a corner that feels dead or dark, and watch how it instantly brings life and movement to that area. It does need a bit more light and regular watering than the others, but the lush tropical vibe it brings is absolutely worth the effort. Last but not least is the golden pothos, also known as devil's ivy, but don't let the name scare you. This plant is a master of revitalization. It is impossible to kill and grows with a fierce determination. Spiritually, it's used to energize dead areas of the house, like corners where shadows gather or atop high cupboards. It prevents energy from becoming stagnant. It's also another star of the NASA study, excellent at filtering out VOCs. Think of it as an energy shield that scrubs the air clean, while creating a cascade of green abundance. Whether you're looking for a plant to trail down a bookshelf or climb a wall, the Pothos adapts. And that's its spiritual lesson for us: resilience and adaptation. Place it anywhere that feels heavy or neglected. It will take over with positive growth in no time. And there you have it. 7 spiritual powerhouses that cleanse your home of negative energy while purifying the air you breathe. Now, here's the big question. Which one calls to you? Usually, the plant you are most drawn to is the specific energy medicine you need right now. Don't stress about getting them all at once. Start with one, see how the energy shifts, and grow your sanctuary from there. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to create a greener, more spiritually uplifting home, and check out these related videos. I love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment below with your favorite spiritual plant or any tips you'd like to share. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay positive and keep blooming.